What is Eyezy App? In a nutshell, Eyezy App, this is the best parent monitoring app that you can use if you're a parent. But not only that, if you have a business, you can able to use Eyezy App. It's gonna help you a lot. Eyezy App, there's so amazing features that you can do. But first of all, if you're not getting access with Eyezy App, remember to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video so that you can able to use Eyezy App. When you click that link, a coupon code is gonna be automatically applied in the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. So what you can do here with Eyezy App, there's so many things that you can able to monitor, such as most messaging contacts. You can see that, like, the number of times that you can able to monitor the number of times that the person has been contacted. You can able to monitor the most calling contacts, such as Florence. It's been 3 times, and then the most visited website 7 times, and also the most visited locations you can able to monitor using Eyezy App. So now what you can do, guys, here with Eyezy App, not only that, you can able to monitor some social spotlights, meaning these are the social activities that maybe you want to monitor for your kids, like such as this one, like text messages. You want to monitor all of those things, to see that what are your kids, they are talking to other kids about homeworks and stuff like that. You can able to monitor using Eyezy App. It is so simple to do, guys. Okay, then not only that, you can also monitor some emails. You can monitor emails using Eyezy App. It's so easy. You can monitor some emails using Eyezy App. You can also monitor WhatsApp messages on Eyezy App. You can also monitor Facebook messages on Eyezy App, such as Telegram messages, Viper, Thunder, Line, Snapchat. There's so many things that you can monitor here on Eyezy. So what else you can do with Eyezy? You can also monitor, as you can see, I'm still here on WhatsApp right now. You can also monitor Skype, Instagram messages. You can also monitor Facebook. Okay, when you go here to the phone analyzer, you can able to monitor the calls, the contacts. You can able to monitor the calls. You can able to monitor and see the duration of the call, like how long the call has been made to that person, and also what time the call has been ended, and also when the call has been started. Using Eyezy, you can able to monitor all of those things. Now when you go here you can able to block some websites that you don't want them to visit. You don't want them to access. You can also block all of those websites. It is so easy. You can also do some activities. You can able to monitor the activities that they supposed to do. You can able to monitor here using Eyezy. Then you can able to monitor some notes. These are events that you can monitor. Okay, now let's go to you can able to monitor some browse history. You can able to block some website that you don't want them to access, like such as Facebook, or Instagram. You just put the URL of the website that you don't want them to use, such as Netflix. Just Eyezy is gonna block all of those websites so that your kids, they can never have an access to those kind of websites that are inappropriate for them, guys. Okay, then so as you can see, you can able to block some websites. You can able to block some applications. It is so easy to use Eyezy, guys. Okay, so when you click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to Eyezy, it's gonna take you to this page. This is the page whereby that you can able to get started using Eyezy, that you can able to create your own account on Eyezy. So you can also go to some of the features here and see what Eyezy can do for you. You can also go to the demo and see how Eyezy works, and also you can also go here to the chat support if you have any questions about Eyezy. The support team on Eyezy, they offer 24/7 chat support team, guys. Okay, don't forget to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to get started using Eyezy, because that link, it has an automatically coupon code, guys. Okay, if you have any question, don't forget to leave a link to leave a comment down below in the comment sections. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Take care, and God bless you. Good luck. Sharp.